Imagine this: hundreds of giant oil tankers are sailing across the oceans right now, carrying billions of dollars worth of crude oil, but many of these ships don't appear in official records. They switch off their tracking systems, they change names, owners, and even flags, and they are quietly moving sanctioned oil around the world. To understand this, we first need to understand sanctions. Countries like Iran and Russia face heavy Western sanctions on their oil exports. These restrictions are meant to stop them from freely selling crude on global markets. But oil is the lifeline of their economies. So instead of stopping exports completely, a hidden system is emerged to keep the oil flowing. The system is known as shadow fleet. Recently, Singapore reported a growing number of rogue or shadow fleet tankers operating off its shores. A shadow fleet essentially is a secret network of oil tankers used to transport sanctioned crude while avoiding regulators, sanctions authorities, and shipping trackers. Most of these ships have something in common. They're old. Many are 15 to 25 years old, vessels that traditional oil companies and insurers no longer want to use because they are too risky. Instead, these ships are bought cheaply by obscure companies, often through shell corporations registered in offshore financial hubs. As per reports, the number of falsely flagged ships globally has more than doubled this year to more than 450, most of them tankers. On paper, the ownership becomes almost impossible to trace. Then comes the real risk. Normally, ships broadcast their position using a system called AIS, or Automatic Identification System, which allows authorities and tracking services to see where a vessel is. Shadow fleet often switches off this signal while sailing through sensitive waters. For hours, sometimes days, these tankers simply disappear from the global tracking systems. Another tactic is something called ship-to-ship transfers. Out in open sea, far from coast guards or regulators, one tanker pulls up alongside another. The oil is then pumped from one ship to other. This makes it extremely difficult to determine where the oil originally came from. This hidden network has grown rapidly in recent years. Analysts estimate that hundreds of tankers are now part of shadow fleets, moving oil across routes from Middle East to Asia, from Russia into the global markets. And the scale is enormous. Together, these ships are believed to transport millions of barrels of oil every day, creating a shadow economy worth tens of billions of dollars annually. But there's a darker side too. An accident involving one of these aging tankers could trigger a major oil spill with an unclear ownership. So the next time you hear the word sanctions, remember a parallel hidden economy is benefiting from these restrictions.